Now we are discussing about small business opportunities. In that, herbal and Ayurvedic products retail business is also a small business, and it is profitable also. Herbal and Ayurveda exist in India for a very long time. Ayurveda is a proven medicine for healing and curing diseases with no side effects. The herbal and Ayurveda medicine manufacturers booming in the health segment, especially after the entry of Patanjali into the industry. This is the right time to start up with herbal and Ayurveda products retail business with moderate investment and get better profits. So, especially herbal products are increasing day to day very well, and awareness is also increasing, and Ayurveda will not give any side effects, so that instead of English medicines also for immediate remedy means you should use English medicines only. For the longevity and the long run and permanent curing means Ayurveda will be useful very well. So, so many people are interested in Ayurveda products also to purchase and to live a happy life. So, you can start this business also. It is useful to you, but you should have a menu chart. In that, what medicine is there, what type of remedy it is. Suppose any person is coming, I am having this problem, means all problems you also cannot have bifurcate all these. So, if a list is there, suppose stomach problems, health problems, all these separate lists are there. Which Ayurvedic product is required for which type of disease, and dosage is how much, and which type of dosage, by drinking water, by taking pill, all this is also. So, one chart also should be there, that is having Ayurvedic product name, Ayurvedic product purpose, and dosage. All this chart is there. It is easy to sell and easy to explain to the customer also. Otherwise, you can give that one chart to the customer itself. He will understand and he will purchase so many Ayurvedic products. So, likewise, the business will grow. So, paperwork and preparations are most important before starting this Ayurvedic products business. Then only it will be successful. But if you are having a very good understanding and explaining things very well, it is a plus point to your business. Wishing you all the best.